All right, hello?
Can I just answer this?
I chose the Wilson College of Business
because I wanted to make a difference in my community.
Because in my research in business schools altogether for accounting, I found it's actually rated one of the top in the world for CPA preparedness exams.
Because my parents are both alums from here and I've been able to watch them succeed.
I chose the Wilson College of Business because it felt like home.
It's because of the amazing accounting department and because I was able to take the CPA exams right away before I started my job.
I chose to come to the Wilson College of Business, mainly for real estate. I've always really wanted to get into the real estate field. And, they got me. They said another 4 classes and I can get a whole another, major. So now I'm a double major in real estate and financial management. And it's been absolutely incredible.
Because of the opportunities to get involved in student orgs and the PRP program.
Because it's already a really accredited business school, and then I also wanted a smaller campus feel, so you really get that while you're here with the smaller class sizes.
Because of the inside and outside of the classroom networking opportunities.
It's because of how active the organizations are within the college. There's over 20 different organizations. One of them that I love doing is Real Estate Club. They bring in outside employers, and I really get to have a feel for what the job is like.
because it allowed me to explore my entrepreneurial journey, take my business to the next level. I believe it was able to set me apart from my peers with how I was able to meet with my professors, but also give me the bonds and community that I was really looking for in a school.
I chose the Wilson College of Business because I had a really good ambassador explain kind of what their journey was like here at UNI. And then I heard about the professional readiness program, and I knew there was just going to be so many professional development opportunities that I wouldn't get anywhere else.
Not too bad. Have a good day.
You too.